What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're here with Daniel in the garage. We're doing coilovers, BCs on the M3. Once again, we're doing coilovers again. They're not race lambs this time. We're going really the wind. It's gonna be a bad video, I can already tell you that. I don't have a microphone, so excuse the wind noise. The main thing we have to do first and foremost before we even think about installing coilovers is check my rear strut towers. When I bought the car, it's the only thing I didn't check. I just give the guy the benefit of the doubt and just paid him the money. So if his towers are cracked, I'll be fucked and I can't do it today. Or maybe I'll do it and just wait for my struts to go through the tower. Who knows? I gotta peel back the carpet and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, we're referencing my old video to find out if this is how the E36 trunk was. You peel this back. We got a strut tower here. Again, I haven't seen any of this before. The strut tower looks okay. I don't see any cracks. I can't tell if this is a welded in piece or not. Looking at it now, it doesn't look like it. But if you can see, this was cut back. So I mean, I don't know what that was for. I guess maybe if they replaced the strut. But if you can see all this awful wiring, you go over here, there's an amp here. There's a like another amp there. I think that's a BMW amp. But then you get here, I don't think that's OEM because look at this. There's all these resistors and bypass, and there's an amp here. I don't know, it's kind of annoying, but hopefully this should be a smooth process. I don't think anything's fucked up. I just think I was a little paranoid. But Daniel was referencing the video to find out. These strut towers are different. They have threads here. And you bolt a little plastic, like, retaining piece. And this one you don't. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Alright, so we got the whole car jacked up. Actually, just the rear right now. We're gonna do the rear first. The rear is, in my opinion, it's easier. The hardest part being getting the spring out of the bucket, but you just remembered that, huh? So anyways, it's kind of janky. I mean, look at how much travel this car has. It's like a monster truck right now. And you come over here and it's even worse in the front. These things are like fully blown. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make quick work of the back because it's not really that hard and I've already done it, but it shouldn't be that hard. Let's get right into it. All right, so I'm kind of having deja vu here. This is the old strut. So when I said they were blown, they were really blown. This appears to be, what is that? Sacks, along with the other one is the sacks. These are not OEM, but they're also blown, so. I mean, I actually compressed it. Hold this for a second. So obviously it's not supposed to do that. There's supposed to be some rebound. So the reason the car in the back was so low is because you'd hit a bump and actually there's no rebound at all. So that's why the car was literally slammed. Its own weight was sitting on the strut, so it sat so low. So if we put an OEM strut in right now, it would sit like so much higher in the back. We're gonna try and get the spring out of the bucket. As you can see, you kind of have to pry it. There's not really a good way about going about this. The first time we did it, we just pried it out with 2 pry bars. And then on Daniel's car, we took a ratchet strap, like the end of a ratchet strap hook, to like yank it. I have faith and confidence that I'll just be able to pop this one out. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. We're gonna hope this one works. I hate doing this. But what else? Ready? Yep. That works so good. All right, guys, so this is the stock M3 spring, and this is the BC spring with the collar. If you take the collar away, I mean, that is a huge difference. And then obviously with the collar, it's still so much lower. So I don't know what my my height is gonna be, honestly. I don't know what I'm gonna put it at, but I really don't know what to do because that's like so much lower already. So we will see. It might be at max height from the start and just go down from there. The general consensus when doing coilovers on E36s, especially just a high mileage car, as long as your strut towers aren't cracked, it's a good idea, because if your strut towers are cracked, get them fixed, or you know, if they're fucking blown, you need to weld in a whole new rear strut. This these are just little plates, and obviously you see they just add a little bit of thickness to the strut tower. So you're going to put your strut through, and then on the top of the strut tower, on top of the threads, you just put one of these on top and then bolt it down. People weld them in. I don't think it's required. Anything is better than nothing is the way I'm just going to think about it. And then you can also do the fronts. I'll be doing those in the future. I don't have them right now, but we're already installing coilovers. So yeah, we're going to put these in, and I'm going to put the springs and the struts in, and then I will get back to you when that's done. All right, so while I have a spare second where the wind and the rain isn't happening, I put the easy up because it just randomly started raining. We have like Florida weather right now. Anyways, I got this first side in. I haven't looked at the instructions to see if there was a plastic piece I needed for up there. I tightened the strut down. I just jacked the hub up and then put the strut in. Nothing is to torque or anything right now, but just to get it in, I put the plates there. So I got the plates in here. Looks good. I'm gonna go full hard for now because I don't know how low this thing's gonna sit. I obviously just want to put both bits of the rear suspension in so I can put the wheels on, and then I can test fit.
What the fuck is going on? 40 cars, blue tarp hanging, car all taken apart, screaming retarded shit.
We were cooking.
If I had 1, 2, 3, 4 people, yeah. Or shit, where are you thinking?
You know, maybe
move it up above that.
Oh, that's maybe. No, I'm just gay or something. I don't know.
Probably.
The dialogue behind these clips is unbelievable.
Okay, hold on.
You should be like almost good right there.
Yeah.
So we started at 10:30. It is 3:10. We're also not done. So actually, this is the longest install to date.
It's the beg to differ.
Oh yeah, when we did Daniel's Mustang, and actually I'm not even doing the work. Tyler's like doing all of it, which is dope. And his name's Tyler, so I can just say, oh yeah, Tyler installed my shit. 10 likes on this video and I'll get the boy pussy vanity plate. 15 likes and I'll part it out.
Everyone make 15 YouTube accounts.
50 likes,
let's
and
go.
we'll give away $1,000 and part it out.
On Daniel's dime.
We're giving away an A90 Supra plus $15,000 cash.
That's the wrong YouTube channel. Dude, that actually irritates me.
You guys have the shirts on, so we're looking.
Dude, that actually irritates me so much though. I missed their I missed the giveaway by like a week. Like not even that, like 3 or 4 days. I ordered my coilovers. I got the confirmation that they were ordered. Next video comes out, I'm giving away my A90 Supra. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here with this fruity clapped 212, I think 213,000 miles.
I tried to do 23andMe and they sent it back because I have 24.
23andMe. It's like
Half chub media.
What? I need a new windshield washer fluid.
Dude, why are you standing on the jack?
Because I got extra height.
Yo!
I'm just gonna air out real quick.
Fuck? He was so casual about saying that. Have you tried to jack yourself up?
Yo, why are you jacking yourself, bro? Chill.
No, actually.
Several bad puns later.
Alright, let me get everybody up to speed on this. So yesterday, we did the coilovers. As you can see, it's low. And first and foremost, I do want to shout out Tyler, Graham, Daniel, Cole, everybody for hanging out, especially Tyler and Cole for really helping the process. Anyways, we are not done. I haven't been able to drive the car. I will show you the issues that have happened. The front fitment is good. We tested, you know, went lock right to left and seems decent. I just hope it doesn't rub. This is about my desired height in the front. I don't want to go lower. I like it. In the rear, unfortunately, if you look, car isn't actually that low, but we have not even a finger in here, and that is because the tires are huge, and also the collar is at full height right now. If I were to lower it more, I would get more camber, So I might attempt that and see what I can do. I don't know. But the main thing right now is I have to put this up on the jacks, pull this wheel off, and I'm going to change the tie rod ends. Only reason we're doing that is because in an attempt to get the impact to the back of the knuckle, to get the coilover, the stock coils off in the front, we loosened the tie rod and then the bolt was seized to the thread, so now we have to cut that old tie rod out. And I don't know, hopefully I don't need to go get a puller from the parts store if they even have one. We shall see, but what I got to do right now is jack this car up and replace those tie rods. I actually got absolutely shafted on these. I called in last night and they got here this morning at the parts store at O'Reilly's. The issue being, I hate to even say this, these were $150. I did not know that before I ordered them. I assumed that they were going to be no more than like 40 bucks. Because online they're like 40 bucks everywhere. These were 150 bucks. I haven't even looked at them to make sure it's the right thing. I guess I'm about to find out. But yeah. Anyways, I'll catch up to you guys when I get to the tie rods. Alright, my alignment is going to be super fucked after this one. But anyways, Cole was supposed to come and cut this out for me. Not that it was his obligation. I just thought he was going to. I had to get creative. For the last 20 minutes I've been trying to figure it out. So anyways, the bolt I finally got unseized. I don't even know where it went, the fucking bastard. I used a vice grip. I cut back some of like the little rubber boot for the tie rod. And then I used one of these like breaker sockets to like remove seized bolts. And thankfully I got it off. And now I get to put new tie rod ends in, so let's do that.